And you come over here. Oh my gosh. What does this brand have that these other brands do not? Whoever is doing this aisle decided to put all the packages upside down. Hello, everybody. It is Shopping with Christy, and I am taking a look today at the salad dressing set here at my Super Target in Colorado. A couple things that I notice, and then generally when I'm looking at a category, one of the first things I look at is how much real estate that actual category has. You can usually actually tell retailers set in 4-foot sections. So it's actually really easy to see. So here's 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 4-foot sections. My math would say that's 12 feet. Thank you, elementary school math. Anyway, so this is a 12-foot set, and you can see that generally speaking, it's kind of split up into 3 sections. The very first thing I noticed after the size of the set is how the set is oriented. Very clearly, they have it in brand blocks, right? You can kind of see. So I would say in this world, it is advantageous to consider owning a particular color. Those brands are popping much more. You can see right here, Brianna's. Like, I see that brand really, really, really well. Obviously, Market Pantry, they do very, very well here. Olive Garden, that's got that core look. And then Kraft. Well, they're not really a brand block. They just have a huge amount of Caesar salad there. You know, if I was a brand here, I would consider going into more of a brand block look. Just a thought for people. I mean, even here, you can kind of see Skinnygirl. I know that this brand doesn't do as high volume, but at least it kind of, you see, boom, 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 3 SKUs pretty clearly, I think. The other thing I want to point out is, again, if you think about the real estate of the category, 1, 2, 3, that's 3 4-foot sets, that's 12 feet. And you come over here, oh my gosh. I actually already talked about ranch and America's love affair with ranch in another video recently, but look at this. Hidden Valley Ranch has just crushed it. You know, it's got almost an entire third of the category. And I'm not even sure who owns, it's just by the makers of Hidden Valley. Like, how did these 3 SKUs get here? Who owns this brand? Kraft. Oh ho ho. So I don't know how they got 3 little products in here, but they did. Good job, Kraft. Anyway, Hidden Valley has almost an entire third of the set. And I would argue probably one of the reasons for that is, what does this brand have that these other brands do not? 2 things. Number 1, I think a fairly consistent brand block, just like I was talking about earlier. This stands out. You know it's one brand. It's got that green look, that sort of ranch visual that's very distinctive to them. And then the second thing that this brand has more of than anyone else is form innovation. If there is a way to get ranch or use ranch, they're going to offer it. They're just owning ranch. And we know that about this brand. They could have gone out into other flavors, and they do have variations on ranch. You can see here, right? Here's spicy. This is dairy free. That's fine. Oh, this is like this is upside down Chipotle ranch, but you get the idea. So, but it's always ranch. And so whether it's your multi-serve bottle, your huge squeeze bottle, your medium bottle, you know, regular sort of what we all know as standard, you know, dressing bottles here with a flip top. That's nice. Look at that. Seasonings and dip mix. Here's cup. You don't want to make your own? Here we are. We already did it, right? Grab and go kind of snack cups. And then even recipe mixes, dip mix. I mean, they're telling you right here, infinite possibilities. That is the story to me of Hidden Valley Ranch. Love it. I have like a love affair with this brand right now. The other thing that you'll notice, and I actually saw it over here too, is for some reason, whoever merchandised these products here, whatever person stocked it, or maybe they just did a reset, because boy, does it look nice. It seems like this store is putting the products upside down if it's in a squeeze bottle. You can see it right here. Literally. Boy, that would drive me nanners, and does, as a marketer and someone who now has gone deep, deep, deep into packaging and graphics. So I don't know if this is an anomaly or if all Super Targets are doing it. Look, Hidden Valley's like that. Let's see, there's another example. Oh, Duquesne's. Look at that, upside down there. Anytime it's in a flip top bottle. And it's over here too. You can see, not these little minis for whatever reason, but here you can see Best Foods, Hellmann's mayonnaise, upside down, upside down. So whoever is doing this aisle decided to put all the packages upside down. All right, this is making me very hungry for salad and very hungry for ranch. So I'm gonna buy more ranch because that's how much I love it. Okay, bye everybody.